Now calling the people versus the KL Brown. Ticket number P1375332, one count of no proof of insurance. Ticket number 1375331, one count of driving while license never acquired, one count of driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, and one count of improper plates. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Brown. State your name for the record, please.
Kyle Brown.
Your Honor, Mr. Brown is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Your Honor, that recommendation from Ms. Walker is that if he was to plead to driving while license never acquired, it will be reduced down to failure to display a license, and the balance of his tickets will be dismissed.
Okay. Let me double check, because I thought that he had a few that were in default, but I just want to double check and make sure that we have them all.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Brown, will you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that what you say today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today and she advised you of your right?
Yes.
And you understood those rights, correct?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you, force you, threaten you, or promise you anything to take a guilty plea? You could put your hand down.
No, ma'am.
And you are pleading on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you actually are guilty, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today would waive your right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And understanding and knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Turning your attention to July 27, 2022, were you driving a 2003 Ford vehicle in the area of Pallister and Woodrow Wilson Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
And were you pulled over on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
And when asked to produce a license, were you able to produce a license on that day?
No, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the factual basis, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the probable cause on the dismissal.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
The court will enter a guilty plea to failure to display and dismiss the remaining counts on the same ticket, in addition to dismissing the no proof of insurance on ticket number ending 5332. Failure to display, the fee will be $220. Mr. Brown, are you able to pay that within the next, are you working currently?
Yes.
Can you make that payment by February 21st, or do you need longer?
I need a little bit longer because I got rent and insurance and I'm taking care of my disabled mother. So it's like, I need at least March something.
Okay, I can give you until March 9th. March 9th is going to be your due date. And if you are so if you know that you're not going to be able to make the full payment by March 9th, then you need to come down to the court by then in order to enter into a payment agreement. If you have done neither of those, you need to come back here before me on March 9th as well. So it's either pay or come back to court on March 9th.
I'm gonna be able to pay it by then. I
Okay,
can pay that online, right?
you could pay it online. I'm gonna set it for a review on March 9th, though. If you haven't paid by March 9th, then I would expect you to be here in court, via Zoom on March 9th.
Yes.
Okay, so you pay on 36districtcourt.org, and there are also kiosks around the city of Detroit. I'm not quite sure how you find those, but you should be able to go on 36 District's website to find out where the locations are for the kiosk.
Yes. I see the option to make a payment online through 36 District. I'm just gonna use that.
Okay, perfect. All right, that concludes this matter. The other matters will be dismissed without prejudice. And that concludes your matter unless you have any further questions, Counselor.
No, Your Honor.
Have a good day, Mr. Brown.
And you have a awesome day too, Your Honor. You too, Miss Bradfield.
You too.
Ready to go on any others, Ms. Ray?
We just have, Deja. I don't really see her in the breakout. I wanted that her in the, let me see if this is her.
iPhone, what's your name? Ma'am, on the iPhone, what's your name?
She's connected to audio.
I see it now.
Yeah.
Is that who you're looking for, Ms. Bradfield?
What's your name, ma'am?
Deja Bryant.
Yes, that's her, Your Honor.
Deja Bryant,
Yes.
Your Honor, we still on, YouTube. I'm not ready to proceed. I need to, check on her license.
okay, we are still on YouTube. Did you need me to take a brief recess?
I did.
No, Madam Clerk, can you chat me?
I can't.
Oh, she
but-
did tell Ms. Walker, and it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Give me one moment. Deja, is that how you pronounce your first name, ma'am?
Correct.
Now calling the people versus Deja Christina Bryant, ticket number P 1156105, one count of failure to display valid operator's license, not on person. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Ms. Bryant. State your name for the record, please.
Deja Bryant.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We stipulate the probable cause. She has a valid license.
Can you verify? Well, the court has verified, I apologize. Court has verified that the license is valid. Please, we would dismiss this matter without prejudice. For agreement and valid doc.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Bryant, please make sure that you have those documents or that your driver's license and all other documents like insurance and registration in your vehicle at all times.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're free to go. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
I can leave.
You can leave. You're free to, yeah, you're free to leave.
What now? Would they send something in the mail saying it was dismissed?
I believe, you can go onto 36th District's website, but do it, I would say do it by the end of the week. Well, tomorrow's the end of the week. Try tomorrow by the end of close of business.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too,
You
thank you.
too.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor, I see someone's in the waiting room.
Hi, the person just connected on the iPhone. Can you unmute and turn your camera on, please? And state your name. You have to unmute. I'm clicking on ask you to unmute. Are you getting a message? Not yes or no, if you got the message to unmute your phone for me. No matter how many words you say, I will not be able to hear them until you unmute. So not yes or no. Did you receive a message from me that says unmute your phone? Okay, so click
Ta-
that.
Tap the bottom left corner, sir. It should be a picture of like a microphone. Tap it, please.
He is saying a whole lot of words. We did not hear anything you're saying. Thank you.
Put them in waiting room and bring it back out sometimes. That works.
Attorney Bradford, do you know who he is?
No. No, Your Honor. Let me see if he'll chat his name first. Let me see if he.
He can call.
Here's my phone, so I was just trying to work with you.
He can call the court.
Okay, but yeah, call it.
Sir, call the courtroom, 313-965-2291. You should see it on your screen. Please call. I think he's frozen now, so that may mean that he's trying to get.
Good morning, Judge Yancey's courtroom. How may I help you?
Yeah, my name is Jeremiah Bell. I have a court hearing. I don't know how to operate this stuff.
Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you, sir.
Okay.
There's a microphone right next to the camera. It looks like a little microphone.
Okay, it's got a flash through it.
Yeah, push it.
Okay, hold. That's not it. I was already on the Zoom thing, and that little camera, I kept pushing it, and it didn't even. The little
Next to the
flash-
camera, next to the camera is the microphone.
Excuse me?
Next to the camera, don't push the camera, push the microphone to the left of the
The
camera.
microphone, the little microphone icon had a flash through it. I kept pushing it, and y'all still couldn't hear me.
Oh, it's okay. So we have you on audio in the courtroom. You're on the speakerphone. We can hear you, and we're going to keep your camera on up top so we can proceed. Actually, that's
But
not
have
going to
you
work because you
spoken
didn't
to-
speak to the House Counsel. So
Okay, go back to the. Man, I
just
don't
follow.
Do me a
just
favor,
follow-
wait, before you do that,
One
one more time, while we have you, we do have you, you have the ability to hear me now, right?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm clicking on here to ask you to unmute. Do you see a message
okay,
that
and
says,
I see that, I see that, and it says, what pops up on the phone, it says the host would like you to unmute. And it has a choice between stay muted and unmuted, and I push
Okay, right, okay. So the problem is, we would be able to just go ahead and proceed with this matter because we can hear you. But the problem is, you haven't had an opportunity to speak to the attorney. Attorney Bradfield, is it okay perhaps that he gives us a phone number for you to call him? And then he call back into the courtroom to continue the proceeding?
Or he can dial with our 929.
Oh, or, well, if he dials in, Attorney Bradfield, will you be able to put him in a breakout room from his phone?
Yes, if he dials in, that'll be fine. It should be
Okay,
real
so-
quick because it's set for trial today and the officer didn't appear, so.
Oh, great, okay, so, wait, then
So,
we can just do this right now.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
What time is it? 10:29. We have a file?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Bell, you're gonna just stay on the phone with us, okay?
I was double checking
Okay,
this.
that's you right there, Judge Bradfield,
That's Attorney Bradfield,
and you Judge
Yancey.
Yancey. Okay, I can see you though.
And we're fine now. It was just a matter of being able to hear you because our court reporter needs to be able to hear what's going on. And now that I understand that this was set for trial and that we don't have an officer, we're gonna proceed with your matter, okay?
Okay, great.
All right, now calling the people versus Jeremiah Theodore Bell, ticket number P 1312755. One count of no insurance, one count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Bell. State your name for the record, Mr. Bell.
Jeremiah Bell.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial. The court has taken note that we do not have an officer who has checked in on this matter. It is now 10:30 a.m. Therefore, the court will dismiss both counts 1 and 2 on this ticket. Mr. Bradfield, please be sure to drive with your insurance in your vehicle and make sure that there's no open alcohol in your vehicle when transporting, okay?
And also the dismissal of the civil infraction too, Your Honor.
I don't have a,
It's not in there, Your Honor? Okay.
one moment, Ms. Bradfield, let me see about the civil infraction, okay?
It's
Okay.
SP 1313553.
And it is the same officer for that one, Your Honor.
It is the same officer, well.
Yes, Your Honor.
Give me one moment, I'm gonna find it on the. Since he wasn't here, I didn't highlight him. He just came in for the first time, is that correct? He was just here.
Yes.
So we have, is it expired plate?
Yes, Your Honor.
So for the record, I am adding ticket number SP 131-35531, expired plates. Same as before, there is, this matter was set for a trial. It is now 10:32 a.m. There's no officer on this matter as well. All 3 of these matters will be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And again, Mr. Bell, make sure that you have your documentation in your file. Consider this a very, very lucky day for you, but keep your documents in the file, in your car, not in the file, in your car.
Okay, hey, Judge Yancey,
Yes,
man, I'm sitting here sweating bullets. I can see your face and all on your face. Whoever in the courtroom with you, y'all doing a great job.
thank you,
I
Thank you.
love y'all. You hear
Thank
me?
you.
thank you,
Thank you.
appreciate that.
All right.
Hey, when they talk about 36th district ain't right, they ain't talking about y'all.
Well,
All
thank
right.
you.
Oh, I appreciate that.
you.
Mr.
Thank
Bell.
you.
Have a good.
Hey, do y'all need anything else from me?
No, sir, you are all set to go.
Man, I love y'all, man.
You have a good day.
Have a good day. You.
Man, y'all just relieve a lot of stress. I was about to break down up this time.
Well, you
Okay.
make
All
sure
right.
you keep those documents in your
Bye-bye.
car. You make sure you go and get those. If you don't already have these documents, then you need to get them today so that you're not sweating bullets the next time you're in front of me. And it may not be me that you're in front of, so get your stuff together.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. 100%. 100%.
Take
All right.
care.
I
Bye-bye.
love y'all.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Me too.
Okay.
So the court is going to take a 5-minute recess. Ms. Bradfield, do you have any clients that you need to go and talk to for a moment?
Your Honor, that was it.
That was it?
That was it.
Attorney Bradfield,
I'm emailing you those other people that got new dates. I'm in the middle of typing an email now.
They all got new dates?
Yes, I have a few that have new dates.
all right, you
So
got
we
my
have,
email?
wait, I just be in disbelief about this. So we have no one else in the waiting room.
No, I'm gonna get Ms. Walker, let Ms. Walker know she could go.
Who is Ms. Walker?
The
Oh,
prosecutor.
yes, I'm sorry.
Yep, I'll be right back and I'll be right back in here. Let me let her know.
But you have my email, Ms. Bradfield?
No, yep, I need your email. You would just put in the
Okay.
chat for me.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm glad you said something because I do not have your email.
And I'm trying to, oh, I see you, okay. Oh. All right, I sent it.
Okay, thank you. And let me copy this because it might not be here when I come back out. Yep. So you should be getting the email shortly. I'm in the middle of typing it up now.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Thank
No
you, Ms.
problem.
Thank you,
Thank
Attorney
you.
Bradfield.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Madam Court Reporter. I believe we are done for the day. Court is adjourned.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
All right, you gonna have a good day.
You
You
too.
too.
Thanks.
I'm late.